Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have another FabFitFun unboxing, and today we are doing the summer box unboxing. If you haven't seen my spring box, you can still check it. It will be in my description box below the link, so you can go ahead and check that. So this is my new box and I cannot tell you how excited I am. We are going to unbox it together. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, FabFitFun is a subscription box where you can have fashion items, beauty items, and also kitchen stuff. You get to choose by yourself. When you become a FabFitFun member, you can choose from different items what you want to grab, and you can actually save a lot in these boxes. So before I start, I want to tell you a little more details about it. There are annual subscriptions and seasonal subscriptions. So if you want the annual subscriptions and you want to get a free gift with your purchase, you can go ahead and check my link in the description box below and use the coupon code. It will give you a promo, which is a gift with purchase. If you want to go with the seasonal promotion, that will give you 20% off when you use my coupon code and go through my link, which is in the description. You can actually customize your box and choose what you want in the box. They give you different options and you get to choose from there. Thank you FabFitFun for partnering up with me in today's video. These boxes are so exciting and we're going to see it together. So I'm going to give you a little more details. So seasonal membership is $69.99 per quarter, and if you go for annual membership, it will be $219.99 per year, which is $55 per box, and you actually get a lot of products, which is like totally worth your money. And my spring box, whatever I got, that was super useful. If you haven't checked them yet, do check it out. So I'm in so much love with the box. In today's video, we are going to unbox the summer box, and let's do it together now. So here comes my FabFitFun Summer box, and let's open it. Ooh. Ooh, look at all these summer essentials. So first I have, this is a KP Bumpy Razor Body Scrub, which is a need. So it has 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. This is one of my favorite brand, which is First Aid Beauty. Here we have very important product, which is Bush Balm, and this is the bikini body hair trimmer. So this is a hair trimmer. Let's see. So this is a hair trimmer, which is a very much essential for anyone, and I got it in this box, which is amazing. Here we have Set and Stone. So pretty. What was that? I forgot. So this is an anklet, also very pretty anklet during summertime. Look at that. This is the prettiest anklet for this summer. So pretty. Perfect for beach days and also all these summer outdoor parties, everything, like so beautiful. I got a bento box here, which is a kitchen stuff. So yeah, a bento box, which is so good, like especially for summer days when we go outside. We need some snacks, some, fruits and light snacks. So useful, and I really needed this when I saw that I could choose a bento box. I just went for it. And such a good quality, like This is such a great quality. I really love. So you can also divide it in the center. Last product right here, and this is a scented candle. Let's see. So we got this scented candle, and this is Lemongrass Breeze Home Stick. Comes with a lid as well. So these are everything from my summer box. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about my summer FabFitFun box. I really would love to know if you have found something really useful, and I think this box is totally worth the money. So I'd highly recommend to go ahead and try seasonal subscription. If you love, you can go for annual. Annual is the best option because you get to save a lot. So I highly recommend to check these, and can't wait for the next seasonal boxes. This Lemongrass Breeze Home Stick Candle smells so good, like it's so good. I recommend to check this if you have an option to try the Lemongrass Breeze. Don't miss it out. It smells extremely refreshing and so good. I can't stop smelling, really. And how aesthetic it looks. This anklet is truly like something I really wanted because I never wore any, anklet that has like these pearls. This pearly anklet is very stylish. And this is also from the brand Set & Stone, which is written here. It's so aesthetic, lovely. Anyways, you guys, I think I love my box so much. I love my summer box as much I loved my spring box, and of course cannot wait to get my upcoming seasonal boxes as well. I'm going to end this video here today. Before going, I want to let you know all the details are in the description box below, and also I'll be linking my previous spring box video so you can check that too. Let me know what you think about this boxes. I would highly recommend you to try, and will be very happy to know your thoughts. I'm going to end this video here today. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.